The AZERON Cyborg gaming keypad is a game changer for anyone looking to take their gaming setup to the next level. Designed specifically for one-handed operation, this keypad is fully programmable and offers a level of customization that traditional keyboards simply cannot match. It's ideal for gamers who want faster reaction times, more precise control, and the ability to tailor their input layout exactly to their gaming style. From the moment you start using the AZERON Cyborg, it's clear that it's built for performance. The keypad features an ergonomic design that fits naturally under your hand, reducing fatigue during long gaming sessions. Each key is mechanical and highly responsive, giving tactile feedback that ensures you always know when an action has been registered. This responsiveness is particularly valuable in competitive shooters, MOBAs, and RPGs, where split-second decisions can make or break your performance. One of the standout features of the Cyborg is its deep programmability. Every key can be mapped to multiple functions, macros, or complex commands, allowing you to condense an entire keyboard's worth of actions into a single hand. The accompanying software is intuitive, giving you the ability to create and save multiple profiles for different games or applications. This level of customization means you can optimize your setup for any genre or playstyle, whether you're grinding in an MMO or dominating in an FPS. The build quality is robust, with a solid frame that feels durable without being heavy. The keypad also includes a thumb joystick and an adjustable wrist rest, providing comfort and precision for extended gaming sessions. Its compact design keeps your desk space clean while giving you the ultimate control over your inputs. In summary, the AZERON Cyborg gaming keypad stands out as one of the best one-handed gaming keypads on the market. It combines ergonomics, mechanical precision, and full programmability into a tool that transforms how you play, giving serious gamers a competitive edge and an incredibly satisfying experience.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.